We're going to make another map because some people seem to have um, drawn maps or got maps and printed them off, and they don't really contain a lot of information. So the idea of a map is to tell you exactly where the site that you're going to make your power station is. And some people seem to not really get that idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for it step by step. So the first step is go to Google Maps. And then you're going to find the site that you want to build your power station. So for instance, I'm going to say that I'm going to build a power station in Centennial Park. I'm going to center it here. Zoom out a little bit, zoom in. I want it right there. I'm going to go to the menu over here on the top left hand side, click there. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own maps. I'm going to press Your Places. I'm going to go to Maps over here, and I'm going to create map down here. To wait for it to create a map. So this is just going to be the same as before, or it's going to look very similar than before, but we're going to be able to add some information to it. So I'm going to have to zoom in here, so I'm going to put into Pookie. It'll zoom in for me. Close that. I'm going to zoom in here, and again there's Centennial Park. I'm going to click on this little item here. I'm going to add a marker, and I'm going to put my marker right there, and this is going to be where we're going to say wind farm is. Wind farm. This is the site of my wind farm, I'm going to say. And I'm even going to look for a picture of a wind turbine and add it to here. So Google image search, wind turbine, and there's this one. Select, and then I'm going to save it. So now I have wind farm and a picture of a wind turbine, and I have the map with my point on it there. I'm going to call my map Mr. Ferris's Mr. Ferris wind farm, and give a description. This is where I have to decide to my wind turbine. So save all that. It's called Mr. Wind Ferris's wind farm. I could get rid of this picture. Now all I'm going to do is I am going to save it, and I'm going to print it. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print it to A4, and I want it landscape, so it's sideways, so it's like that rather than up and down. I'm going to output it as a PDF like before. It'll print. It'll take a while. Yours might look slightly different. Hopefully this will just go straight to your downloaded stuff. But now we have a map, and it's called Mr. Ferris's wind farm. I know whose it is. I have the description of it here, and I have a little description over here. So that's a little bit better. It has a bit more information than before, and hopefully that'll keep us going. If it comes up like this, what you can do is you can press the printer icon over here, and then save as a PDF like before, and then upload it in the same way as before. So what you want to do now is go to Classroom and just upload it to the same place as before. Unsubmit another one and upload your new one.